Hey, we are Shinka. This is our new agent AI Receptionist. The major problem what we have been identified is to handle different tasks, we need a lot of people. So to minimize that problem, we built one solution which solves everything by understanding it. And this is the solution what I made. Think like if you are running a business and customers keep sending messages throughout the day. Some customers want to know your working hours, others want to book an appointment to meet you. Some are interested in your services and become potential leads. And occasionally, someone wants to speak directly with a human representative for what they need. Normally, handling all of these requests requires different workflows or constant manual effort. But what if a single AI agent could understand every message, identify exactly what the customer needs, and automatically perform the right action? That's exactly what we are going to explore today. This is my AI Receptionist, a production ready workflow built entirely in 18. It uses AI to classify customer intent and intelligently routes every request to one of our four automation flows, answering FAQs, booking appointments, capturing leads, and escalating conversations to a human when needed. In this video, I will walk through the complete workflow, explain how every component works, and demonstrates how the AI processes different customer requests from start to finish. This is the web UI of the agent, what I already updated it in Shinka official platform. If you guys want to test it, you guys can test by yourself by asking some of your queries what you guys already having so that you can understand how agent can actually work. This is the architecture what I have been planned for this agent. I created four different paths. Initially, we will be giving the input. By taking that input, the AI will decide what is the problem of the user and how we need to classify it. For example, I own an organization, software company, we can think. A client is ready to engage with me, but I'm not getting proper time to talk to him. So what I did, I just given this agent to him. You just say your problem to it so that it will give proper answer and follow forward the things if it is not able to solve. So the questions what the client is gonna ask is like, what are your working hours? Is there any specific working hours we will be targeting in a day, like 4 to 8, 5 to 7, like this, or you guys are working remotely so that you guys can be available for 24/7? What is the state? If he is asking like this, then the AI will decide that, yeah, he is asking about some information. We need to check our database and try to answer him. On that time, FAQ path will be selected. It will check our information, what we have been already stored, and it will try to answer. From morning 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., these are our organization working hours, like this. When a customer is gonna ask and query about, I should book an appointment with you to have a detailed talk about the project idea what I'm having. On that time, the AI will be thinking like, yeah, person is asking to talk with him. So he needs some dedicated time to discuss the uh, project what he is already having. So it will instantly schedule the appointment by checking whether the time it is dedicated to user is available or not. If it is available, then immediately meeting will be scheduled and it will be forwarded to both users. At this specific time, meeting has been scheduled. Please be ready and try to attend that. If client is asking a question like, I'm interested in your services, on that time AI will be deciding like, yeah, this person is very interested in our organization. So we need to capture him as our lead client so that we can get work from him and try to finish that. It will be helpful for our organization. And the final one, If customer is asking like, I want to speak with a manager, on that time the AI will be deciding it like, yeah, this problem cannot be solved by AI. We cannot generate random things. We should forward this to a human intent so that he can have a real time talk and solve his problems like this. This is the architecture what I designed for this agent, and this is the way it classifies the request what a customer is asking and how we need to process the things and what is the output should be. I will try to show now by asking questions in real time so that you guys will be understanding it in a better way. Now, my first question I'm asking is like, I want to book an haircut on tomorrow. This is the example for appointment. Mm, Tomorrow date I'm keeping 29 at 12 o'clock. AI agent is processing the thing and it decided that the question what we asked will fall under appointment, and it selected the path of appointment and booked an immediate appointment and triggered an email to user's email. As you guys are seeing, here is the email what I got, appointment confirmation. Thank you for choosing our services. Your appointment has been successfully confirmed. Appointment details. Service haircut, date Wednesday 29, time 12:30. Status confirmed. And this is the appointment branch, how it is gonna work. If we are asking some query related to appointment details. Now we will show next. AI agent is processing the things and it finally decided that yeah, we need to check our FAQ branch, and it selected and it thrown output of, I'm sorry, I don't have any information about home services being offered at Shinka Salon. And this request can be processed to a human requirement. After this, the fourth branch will be selected and the customer will be processed to talk with an human so that he will be knowing the answer for what service he has been asked. This is how FAQ branch will be working. Now we will be seeing how lead capturing will be working. So I'm gonna ask about, hi, I'm interested in your hair spa service. Please contact me regarding the package. This is the question what I'm gonna ask. We are gonna test our lead capture things. We should talk about some package related things so that AI will be deciding, yeah, this is lead capture. We need to choose a different path instead of appointment. Yeah. As you guys are seeing, agent has been decided that the question what customer has been asked is as an lead capture, and it selected the lead path and an instant email. Yeah. New lead received. A new customer has shown interest. Name Chandu, contact number, email, interested service. Please contact them at last. After saying this email, our team can contact the uh, lead person who chosen us with our service. Agent has been decided that this requires an human, so it selected human branch instead of FAQ, appointment, and lead classification, and it thrown an email. Human escalation required. A customer requires human assistance. A customer name Sandhu, email, contact number, escalation reason. Customer requested human assistance. A customer message, I want to speak with an human representative. Why we are showing these two? Because customer message is the input what user has been asked from his side, and escalation reason. This is the reason why AI selected human assistance instead of other paths like FAQ, appointment, and lead captures. Please contact the customer as soon as possible. This is how our agent will be working in four different ways. For doing this work, normally in an organization, we need four different type of people to handle four different type of tasks. If we are integrating this agent in our organization or services, the human work will be reduced. instead of doing 4 different tasks by 4 different people, one agent can fulfill all our requirements, like 4 problems, one solution. If it is thinking like, yeah, this should have been forwarded to human, then instead of replying randomly, it will just forward the customer to a human so that things will be solved. And until now, I shown it in local testing phase. Now I'm trying to test it in production after launching how it will be working. Let's see how the output will be. The agent is running. The question I asked is, I am interested in your hair spa service. Please contact me regarding the package. Yeah. The result is showing empty. It means, as you guys are seeing, new lead is received. A customer has shown interest. Name Sindhu. Contact number, email, interest service. Please contact them. In same way, for remaining queries also, the agent will be working properly like how I shown in local phase by asking for different type of queries. If you guys want to use it, I will be attaching the documentation and everything related to this agent in comments and description. You guys can use them. Thank you.